Eliana Nachman. I'm originally from Germany, where I also studied at Heidelberg University. And already during my master's, I became very much interested in neuroscience and the brain and started working on genetic risk factors of Alzheimer's disease. And then I moved on to do a PhD also at Heidelberg University, where I worked at molecular machines in cells that can help to untangle the proteins which aggregate in Alzheimer's disease. And for my postdoc, I decided to come to TU Leuven, the VIB Center for Brain and Disease Research, and to work with Patrick Verstreke now on the very early events of neurodegenerative diseases. I'm really fascinated by the human brain. Although we know quite a lot about it already, there are still many questions that remain open. For instance, why somebody develops Alzheimer's disease but other people don't. So I find it really interesting to contribute a little bit to that knowledge. And besides that, I'm also convinced that as a scientist, you're not only advancing research and our knowledge, but you also have the chance to make a real impact on society that eventually will better the life of patients and their families. So in the research project which I'm managing, we're focusing on why certain cells in the brain are sensitive to neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's disease, but also other diseases in which the protein tau plays a role. And there are some cells that are affected by this, they are vulnerable, they die. Other cell types, they are resilient, so they seem to be dealing with the situation quite well. And in this project, we're trying to find why these cells do good and are well in this situation, and to really learn the molecular mechanism in the hope that we can use this information in the future to also protect vulnerable cell types. I would really like to take this opportunity to thank the donors of the Stichting Alzheimer Onderzoek, because with your support we can do this project.